When building a chatbot, one of the biggest challenges is making it remember the conversation. You don't want to treat AI, or you don't want the AI to treat every user message as a brand new question. So that is where the message placeholder comes in. It's like a dynamic container for our chat history. Instead of manually combining all previous messages into a single string every time you generate a prompt, you just put a placeholder in your template and LangChain fills it automatically with the actual conversation that happened so far. So the placeholder doesn't just dump text, it preserves the role of each message, whether it came from the human, the AI, or the system. So this means that the AI can actually identify between instructions, user prompts, and its own past responses. So that is what allows multi-turn conversations to feel natural that we see in ChatGPT or Gemini interfaces that we use. So another powerful aspect of such is reusability. So you can define a single chat template with a message placeholder and it works for any number of previous conversations that we had. So whether the conversation has 2 turns or 20 turns, the placeholder always inserts the right history in the right format. So this also keeps the template clean and you don't need complex logic to actually stitch the chat together or like put the chat together. So finally, message placeholders work seamlessly with LangChain's role-based messages like system message, human message, and AI message that we've already seen. So this combination actually uh, ensures that our prompts are structured, clear, and also are context aware, which is actually essential when using LLMs for chatbot or customer support agents. Message placeholder is what lets a chatbot remember, understand roles, and continue conversation smoothly without you manually managing every previous line of dialogue. So that is what we're going to do in our upcoming code. So I'm going to create a new file called message placeholder holder.py. What I'm also going to do is create a new file that actually contains or saves my conversation here. So let me write it at chatbot history .txt. As I told you that whenever we save our conversation, we save it in such a way that um, that the information of the message is being preserved. So I'll put a few messages here. So the first one is a human message where it says that I want to request a refund for my order, and the AI message says this thing. So okay, I will use this, and what I'm going to do is in my message placeholder I am going to load this chat and then create a new prompt based on my uh, new user input. So first of all, I'm just going to use from LangChain core.prompts import. The first one is going to be chat prompt template. This should be prompts. So chat prompt template, and then the other is going to be a message placeholder. So our chat template is going to be something that we've already seen. So chat template equals to chat prompt template. So this will contain a system message, uh, which says you are a very helpful customer support agent. And and then I'll also load our conversation history that we already have in this file. So for that, I'm going to define a message placeholder with a variable name, and then the variable name is going to be like chat history. It's just a variable name. It does not need to match with the file name provided here. And then the third is going to be a human message, a new human message that will come in this particular place here. So I'll also indicate this as a string. Okay, so this is our chat template. Now I'm going to load a chat history from a file. So for that, I will create a list called chat history. So with open chat underscore history dot txt as file, I can load our chat history dot extend file dot read lines. Okay. Now, I will create my new prompt here based on the chat template that I have, as well as the chat history that I just loaded. So inside my chat history variable is going to be my chat history list, chat underscore history list. Okay, so this should be inside curly braces. So chat history list and chat history. Along with this, I'm going to also have a query because the query also contains a placeholder here. So in the query, I'll ask where is my refund. So I can invoke this using a model too, but I just want to show you the use of placeholder here. So I'm just going to print my prompt or my new prompt here. Okay, so let me rerun this and then we can see something's not right. Okay, so this should be txt. Clear this again and then run it. I definitely made some mistake here. Oh, it should be chatbot history, not chat history. Chatbot history. Okay, if I load this again, then we can see that the first message is a human message. You are a very helpful customer support agent. And why is this being labeled as a human message? Let me check. Is this inside the chatbot history? No. Oh, I should have placed it inside the brackets here. So let me do that again. Okay, now if